Hey there, this is Tyler with Theater Design Company. Going to do an unboxing video on the Klipsch PRO-160RPC. So this is part of Klipsch architectural speaker line. Obviously you've got the owner's manual, some data reference sheets, then you got the important cutout template if you're cutting this in if you didn't use the rough end rings. Throw a measurement on this to confirm that it is what it says. So you can see it's 8.15 inches. This white piece with the magnets on it is your paint trim ring, so you can actually plop that up on there and either have the painter spray or roll around your speakers so you're not getting paint on your speakers. Most of the new Klipsch architectural come with both square grills. Just throw a measurement on this. So about 9 3/8 inches square. And then of course they come with the typical ceiling round grill, which is also about 9 3/8 of an inch. So you got the Klipsch speaker here, pretty serious crossover network. Now this speaker has no angle adjustments, no nothing. It's a perfect speaker for Atmos because of the horn on there. It's got a wide dispersion, and then I'm showing you the mounting feature on it. Then it's got a treble setting on there for plus minus, and they're showing you it has no movement on the tweeter section of it. And let's rebox it back up. Thanks for watching the video.